Hi everyone, it's Doug from Bjorn Territory. Welcome back. And in this episode, I'm going to show you how to paint Chasseurs a Cheval for your French Napoleonics. I hope you like this one. Catch you in a bit. Okay, starting off with my Chasseur et Cheval. Sorry for murdering my French, but I've base coated it in grey. And I'm coming in with this left flash for all the skin, white watered down, get 2 coats. Don't forget it is. So the next colour is a dark green for all the flat part of the uniform, and do 2 light coats of this. For collars and cuffs, I'm coming in with red. I'll add in white for the gloves. And the sash. Adding black for the boots. And the shako. And the clutch. So next colour, I'm going to come in with a bit of brown. I'm just going to focus on his moustache and hair. The main pom-pom bit at the bottom, I'm going for blue. For the feathers, the bottom majority is going to be green, and the top bit will be yellow shortly. And the top bit yellow, make sure it doesn't mix. Last flat colour, a bit of lead belcher for a few bits. As well as the sabre. We'll also do the stirrups as well. Now for some washing, starting with Riken flesh on flesh. But I'm also going to use it on the bronze parts as well, in the uniform. For the majority of the figure, I'm going to use Agrax Earthshade Brown Wash just to tie in with the campaign look that I'm going for. Now leave it to dry. Whilst the shades are drying, just going to start working on the horses. I'm going to come in with Cygor Brown. Then going to come in with black for all the strapping, stirrups, etc. Reins and tail. Using Storm Vermin, just going to do the bedroll blanket on the back of the horse. For the horse blanket, just going to come in with white on the saddle. Just before washing, just doing the edges in red. There's just 2 washes, one non-oil for the white. The main wash, Agrak Surfshade. Okay, now that the washes are dry, I'm just going to come back in with Kislev Flesh and focus on the raised areas, make it pop again. Then I'm going to focus on the white areas, making sure that the indents are still holding the shadow on the gloves and etc. For the red, I'm coming in with Evil Sun Scarlet as a little highlight, and just trying to get the edges with this one, make it pop a little bit more. Top of the plume, just going back in with a bit of yellow to make it brighter. And then I'm going to come in with a little bit of intermediate green to highlight on parts of the green uniform. So little bits of the raised areas. The last highlight, coming in with Lead Belcher just to make the silver parts brighter in places. The edge of the sword as well, just on one side. Now that they're painted, it's now putting them together as a command unit. I've stuck them on and I'm just going to put a bit of PVA glue now onto the base. I did a base coat first though with brown paint just to tie everything in so it doesn't have the green or grey plastic underneath. Heavily in PVA. Now for the Geek Games Scenics base ready Mediterranean soil. Let's put it in my little pot and give it a good pour. Make a big mess. Shake it off, brush off any loose stuff and cover. Right, there you go, based and finished my chasseurs. Quite fun, nice doing some French cavalry for a change, something different. I'm going to finish the rest of the unit and I'll show you maybe soon how they're looking, and I'll give you a bit of an update of my French army. Hope you like this one. I hope you picked up some tips and tricks and gave you confidence to get on with your own painting. And I'll catch you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.